I think what students need to know about Behlen and just kind of manufacturing in general is there's a lot of job opportunities here in the smaller communities of Eastern Oregon, and they need to know that they don't have to move away to make a really good wage. We are a local manufacturer of livestock equipment. We have welders, fabricators, which are the machine operators. We have maintenance people. We have some general laborers that are going to be, that's the fab, the paint line, stock tank line. All of those are general labor. And then we've got the shipping and receiving crew. Here it's a really good place to get their foot in the door and just really take a look at what manufacturing is.
Welders are paid by their productivity, and different items have different quotas, and some things you can make a lot of money welding. Like if I get to weld more of this, then I'll make a lot more money.
I like welding. If I get left alone in my station and I get to really get high performance welding and just kind of focus on my quota, I consider that to be a good day.
Well, it started with actually my freshman year working in the welding shop. I got real close with the welding teacher, and then he ended up talking with me about opportunities of welding jobs.
I was kind of able to start this intern program where I was able to get paid and start working while I was practicing to build up my skills, and eventually I got high performance and I got all these extra pays that were added on my job. So now I'm technically full-time until I go off to college.
The BTI connection, it gives people who maybe have no experience with manufacturing or maybe aren't even sure if it's kind of an avenue they want to go through. It's a very reasonably priced class that they take for 1 week, and then they can get in here and give it a shot and see what they think.
Sophomore year, I started working on Thursdays after school and all days on Fridays and Saturdays, just because schoolwork started getting a little heavy, so they actually started kind of accommodating me by fitting in my schedule with these hours that I was working and the school hours that I had, and after school activities and clubs and organizations and stuff that I was in. So it actually helped out quite a lot that I was able to, have a job that was really flexible.
Also just having a nice, strong economic foundation. I mean, having a business that has 100 employees and is, shipping out a lot of product from this location. We're serving 11 western states right out here out of Baker City.
For your family, for your kids, for retirement plan, it's an awesome job. I'm glad I started when I was 16.